Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So as you know, today we are going to complete with the last part of NTA UGC NET questions with our target for 2022, and you also know that your examination is very near, and along with that it's a reminder to all of the others who have not watched the last two parts of this particular video series. Please go back and watch. And most importantly, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We left off with question number 26, and today we're going to start with question number 27. Repeating once again that all of these questions are extremely important, and some of these questions contain repeated previous year questions. Alright, so pay attention and let's start with the video and see what are the questions for today. Question number 27 says, who among the following social scientists did use the term political socialization? Wilfredo Pareto, Herbert Spencer, Herbert Hammond, Armand Powell. The answer is option 3, Herbert Hammond. And remember that he is the same person who gave reference group or the concept of reference group. We study him in basic concepts of sociology. Question number 28 is a quotation. Let's read it carefully. Social conflicts are not always destructive, but may play integrative role. Who among the following thinkers did express this view? Ralph Dahrendorf, Karl Marx, Max Weber, Louis Koser. Basically, this quotation is saying that social conflicts are functional in nature and may play an integrative role, and it is not always that social conflicts are destructive and bad in the long run. They even play some role in the society and are functional as well. Alright, so this was said by Louis Koser, okay, in the Functional Theory of Social Conflict, and the name of his book is The Functions of Social Conflict, published in 1998. Karl Marx will never say this, remember this, and Max Weber also didn't talk about social conflict being integrative. And for Louis Koser, also remember that he said that these social conflicts help reinforce group solidarity, and it is also something which serves as a safety valve. This is a very important keyword for Louis Koser. So remember this, and it also helps channelizing tensions in appropriate manner. Okay, so social conflicts also help in channelizing tensions and strife and rifts in an appropriate manner. Okay, that is what he said. Question number 29. During which decade increase in total urban population was more than total increase in rural population of India? This is a repeated question. 2001 to 2011, 1991 to 2001, 1971 to 1981, 1981 to 1991. The answer is 2001 to 2011. So during this particular decade, we see increase in the urban population as compared to increase in rural population. All right. Question 30. MEAD delineates three stages in which the concept of self arises and develops. The stage of initiative acts, the play stage, and the dash stage. It's asking for the third stage. What is the name of the third stage that MEAD talked about? The options are game stage, adult stage, skill stage, teen stage. The answer is game stage. Okay. Moving on to question number 30. Two tribes living in a geographical area may indulge in the mutual exchange of cultural traits and a minimization of differences between them. This process is called assimilation, adult socialization, cooperation, accommodation. The answer here is cooperation, because assimilation will not be the answer here, and accommodation happens only when there is a conflict. So when there is a conflict, only then two particular parties or two particular tribes or two particular groups, they accommodate with each other, adjust with each other. All right. So the answer here is cooperation, and we can also term it as acculturation in this particular context. Question number 32. Culture of Relatedness by Janet CARSTEN is the study of Langkawi Islands or Islanders, Kurds, Nairs, Andamanis. The answer is option number 1. Number 33. Who has systematically undertaken the influence of politics on science in his study of sociology of science? Read it very carefully. Options are T.B. Baltimore, R.K. Morton, Max Weber, Emily Durkheim. The answer is Robert K. Merton or R. K. Merton, option number 2, in his book named The Sociology of Science. Okay, so this book is very important, and remember this book because you can also be asked questions on the basis of the books of Robert K. Merton and also his theories. Question number 34 says, according to Irving Goffman, when passers-by glance at one another quickly and then look away again, it is called disengagement, interaction, Symbolic interaction, civil inattention. The answer is civil inattention. Alright. Classified as non-ordinal interval ratio. It regards non-seasonal ordinal optional is to be order. Alright. And another scale or social distance scale. It may add closeness to other divisions or racial group or so on. Now, who applied the Weberian model of stratification to caste? Answer देते M.N. Srinivas, Bhure, S.C. Dubey. The answer is Andre, and remember that the first victim of that is peaks of class, and because he looks at social stratification of the village in the context of caste, class, and power of the village. Okay, how the distribution of power is acquired after independence and so on. Okay, all right. So we end with this part of the video, and remember to revise all these questions very well, because these are of utmost importance, as I've been saying. So also don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and there will be more videos on these similar topics. So stay tuned and keep learning. Thank you so much, everyone.